Hi friends of cocktails! It's finally December, and the holiday season is almost here. Time to reflect on goals achieved in 2021, make plans for next year, and of course, get ready for holidays. It's also a time to celebrate, and maybe open that special bottle you've been saving since last Christmas. When you got it as a gift at work or from a really good friend, and you need an idea for a cocktail to use it in. Some scotches are great for mixing, some are wonderful neat. 𝗙𝗶𝗺 XV is both, and then some. But December is also a time when everyone is in a hurry. So today's recipe won't be a complicated one, but something simple and celebratory to share with your friends and family for a special moment. Make sure you've got a bottle of champagne in the fridge, so we can make the gold champagne cocktail. It's cocktail time. We already did 2 versions of the champagne cocktail for a New Year's Eve episode last year. A classic one with champagne and a sugar cube soaked with bitters, and an improved champagne cocktail with added cognac to give it some extra body. So let's try and see what a good scotch can bring to the table in this cocktail. Here's all that you'll need. The best pairing for this celebratory whiskey that was selectively finished in cognac casks from the Grande Champagne region is a good, crisp champagne. I'm using 𝗙𝗋𝗋𝗃 Brut champagne. We'll balance the dryness with honey syrup. This will also add to the luxurious and velvety mouthfeel of the 𝗙𝗋𝗋 XV. As for the bitters, I'm going with orange to complement the fruity character of our base spirit. This will be made and served in a chilled champagne flute. So get that from the freezer and let's make the gold champagne cocktail. Since we're not adding any ice, a chilled glass is essential. But it also wouldn't be a bad idea to place the scotch in the fridge or freezer before making this cocktail. 30 ml or 1 ounce of 𝗙𝗋𝗋 XV. To that, add 2 dashes of orange bitters. If you're having a hard time finding them, use my recipe to make them at home. Next, honey syrup. Use a light floral honey. Anything too dark will take over the flavors. 1 bar spoon will be enough. And a couple of things to remember when adding champagne. First is safety. Then pour it gently, so you'll still get plenty of bubbles as you enjoy the drink. Top it up with around 100 ml or a bit over 3 ounces. Final step is to express the oils from an orange peel. This will give a strong and sweet citrusy aroma before the first sip. Whatever the occasion, celebrate it in style. Cheers! The rich and luxurious experience is present throughout this cocktail. The aroma, appearance, and the taste. The full-bodied scotch pairs perfectly with the dryness of the brut champagne. The honeyed undertone supports the fruitiness of the bitters and the scotch to make it stand apart from the cognac version. I couldn't decide which one I like more. I just know this is a perfect celebration in a glass. Like I promised, a fast and easy but delicious cocktail to start the festive season. I hope you finish off the year on a high note with many champagne cocktails along the way. Remember to subscribe, so I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching and cheers!